I love Arizona, state of the free, state of the free.
Friday, the 26th of April, 2013 AD, in Golden Valley, Arizona, still a semi-free place. Okay, we are here together to remind to the rest of the world that we are still free human beings in Arizona, believe it or not. That the ancient, from every civilization, starting from the Greeks and the Romans, used to pretty much distinguish a free human from a slave. Slaves are never harmed.
What you wanna be? No more liberal garbage, no more socialist red tape. There ain't no place like this state. No. We have the right to carry, we have the right to speak. Here guns are not free. True California. I love Arizona, state of the free.
It is a pleasure to be here with you all. Pressing the good fight.
Sell whatever you have and move to Arizona.
I'm young, but I know enough to know that the American spirit will always prevail.
Just love my rights.
Arizona, Arizona, Arizona.